Can't wait to travel after the pandemic but unsure of where to go? Want to go overseas but too lazy to search for an itinerary? With Travelator, find your next holiday tour easily with just a Telegram bot. Travelator is a Telegram bot that can recommend tours or places that you might be interested in if you are a tourist, or help you advertise your tours if you are a business owner. We use Python and Telegram API for coding the bot, and MongoDB as our database to store all the itinerary information.
Travelator bot supports create, read, update, and delete operations in regards to itineraries uploaded by business owners. Selecting business owner after starting the bot will bring a user to the main menu for business owners. We will first talk about adding an itinerary. A business owner can create a new itinerary by selecting the Add an Itinerary button from the main menu. After doing so, the bot will begin a step-by-step process and prompt the business owner for all the necessary information. This information includes the name of the company the business owner belongs to, the region and country the tour will be held in, the name of the tour, the estimated budget of the tour, the duration of the tour, the website where the tour can be found, and finally, a description of the tour. After completing all the steps, the new itinerary will be saved in the database, and the bot will bring the business owner back to the main menu, where he can choose to perform other operations. Since the business owner just created a new itinerary, he can now view it by selecting the View My Itineraries button. After doing so, the bot will show him a list of all the itineraries that he has created. Selecting one of them will show the business owner the details of that itinerary. The business owner can then choose to view other itineraries or head back to the main menu. Information may change over time, and a business owner may want to update some of the details of an itinerary. This can be done by selecting the Edit an Itinerary button. Similar to the View My Itineraries button, the bot will show him a list of all the itineraries that he has created, and the business owner can choose which of the itineraries he wishes to edit. After selecting an itinerary, the business owner can choose which field he wishes to edit and simply fill in the updated information when prompted by the bot. After doing so, the business owner can choose to edit another field from the same itinerary, edit another itinerary, or head back to the main menu. Finally, business owners can also delete an itinerary from the database. This can be done by selecting the Remove an Itinerary button and selecting which itinerary is to be removed. Before deleting an itinerary, the bot will prompt the business owner for confirmation as to whether he wishes to remove that itinerary. This is to prevent itineraries from being deleted in the event that a business owner selects a wrong itinerary. Once a business owner performs all the operations that he desires, he can select the Done button or type in the command to terminate the conversation with the bot. This can be done by any user, be it if they are a tourist or a business owner.
Now, we will be going through how tourists can use the Travelator bot. Tourists with a specific destination in mind can type in that country to see the itineraries available for that country, and can also have the option to filter them by budget, duration, or both. This is to allow tourists to see a specific set of itineraries that fit their criteria and to save time as well. In the case where there are no itineraries for that country, the tourist is given the choice to either key in another country or to let the bot guide him to choosing an itinerary that suits his needs. This will then lead the tourist to the same page as if he chose no when asked if he has a specific destination in mind. On this page, tourists can choose the region that interests them, and if available, they can decide to either view all results, view by countries, or view by popular countries, which sorts the countries by the number of itineraries they have. Here, tourists are once again able to view all itineraries or filter them by budget and/or duration. They can then view the details of the itineraries by selecting their respective buttons, and if they wish to view another itinerary, they can select the Go Back button. Once the itinerary has been decided, the tourist can select it and the bot will provide the Telegram handle of the business owner that uploaded the itinerary. Instead of choosing a specific region, tourists can also select the Recommend Something for Me button, which will allow them to filter all the available itineraries by budget and/or duration, as well as popularity. The filtered itineraries will be shown, and the process will be the same as mentioned before.